How to close half of your position in MetaTrader 4. Please take a short moment to read the risk disclaimer. And while you are reading the disclaimer, I want to remind you that you can join our VIP Telegram group for full services by accessing the link posted right below this video. Also, please guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. So let's go and let's open our MetaTrader 4 trading platform, and I will show you in this trading tutorial how to open trades maybe, and how to close half of your position. Okay, so let's take an example here on gold. So we have the 30 minutes chart here in gold. So maybe you can see here that the price drops. Maybe you want to sell gold, okay, and you will go here, new order, or you can click on the chart, trading. You can go with a sell stop, or maybe if you want to buy it, you will place a buy limit maybe, or a buy stop, sell limit, or you can select here new order. Okay, so let's say that we will go short on gold. Okay, and we will select here the volume 0.02, and we will go at market, maybe sell at market. Okay, 0.02 volume. Okay, sell. Okay, so right now we are short on gold, and if maybe you will place a stop loss right below this former high, and maybe you will place a take profit here by dragging the order down. Here you will place maybe a take profit. And now if you want to, maybe if the price will continue to drop, and maybe if you want to close half of your position here, maybe at the half of this distance, okay, between the entry level and our take profit, if you want to close half of your position here, maybe you will go at terminal. You will find it here, and here in the terminal you will find your short position in gold. Okay, you can see here sell, size 0.02, symbol gold, your opening price, stop loss, take profit, and the current price. Okay, so let's say that the price will drop and you want to close half of your position. You will double click here on gold, maybe on this position, and now this window will appear. Okay, and you can see here symbol and volume, very important. The volume is 0.02. okay, and if you want to close half of your position, you will select here 0.01. okay, 0.01 in gold, and you will go here and you will click on close. Right now we are in profit, and we want to close 0.01 in gold. Okay, we close it 0.01 in gold, and you can see here that the size of your remaining in gold 50% is 0.01, so the size is now 0.01 and not 0.02. We close it half, we close it 50% of our short position. Okay, so this is very simple. I will close this one as well, only because I want to take another example. Let's go on maybe on the euro versus US dollar, right? And again, you can click here to open a new order, or you can go here, click on the right click on the chart, trading, new order, and you can go at market. Let's say that we want to open 0.10, okay, in euro versus US dollar to go with this volume. Let's say that we want to sell again sell, or if you want to open maybe a pending order, you can go here at type, and you can select a pending order. Buy stop, maybe if you want to buy the price, or if you want to buy the euro versus the US dollar from above this high, you will maybe place a buy stop. If you want a sell stop, maybe to sell it right below this former low, or a buy limit if you think that the price will decrease a little and then it will increase again, or a sell limit if you want to sell maybe from around this former high. Okay, but let's take an instant execution, and let's buy it. Okay, buy at market. Okay, and now you can also double click here to place your stop loss, your take profit. Also you can drag this down, modify to place your stop loss, or drag it higher to place your take profit. Okay, so right now we are long in euro versus the US dollar. Okay, and maybe if the price will continue to increase, you want to maybe close half of your position here, and after closing half of your position, after closing 50% in your long in euro versus the US dollar, you will move your stop loss right above the entry level to protect your long position. Okay, so if the price will continue to increase, let's say that you want to close half of your position, you will go here, terminal, and this window will appear here at the bottom of your screen at your platform, and you have here this order buy size 0.10 euro versus the US dollar. You will recognize it, and you can double click on it, and let's say that you want to close half of your position. Okay, and you will go here, you will select 0.05, and then you will go here and close. So right now we have 0.10, close, and now we have 0.05 in euro versus the US dollar, guys. And now you can let your position ride, guys, maybe if you are here, okay, and to move your stop loss above the entry level. So it's very simple to close half of your position, or you can close, let's say, double click, we have 0.03, you can close maybe 0.04, okay, close, and you will still have only 0.01 open in euro versus the US dollar. So this is very simple, guys. So that's it for today. So please, guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, you can join our VIP Telegram group. And if you like our analysis, if you like this video, this trading tutorial, you can like this video. Thank you, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.